smell like lavender.
And can I check your neck? Your lips are so cute. So big. Oh my gosh. Use that straight. And I can feel that his atlas is misaligned. He's on his eyes. How old is he?
He's 4 days today. He was born Saturday night.